Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve these cornrows, and I'll be taking you step by step on how you can achieve it on yourself. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I always appreciate it whenever you do. And if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can see more videos like this. I share videos of my natural hair journey and my daughter's natural hair journey. I share tips, I share tricks, and I show tutorials. So if this is something you would like to see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any time I post. So what I'm doing right now is parting the hair. I had pre-stretched my hair, and as you could see, my hair was in twists. So today I'm not dealing with parting. I'm going to do a separate video on parting, but today I'm just going to be showing you what I do with the cornrows. So like I said, you should always work on the tangled hair because that would allow you, basically the tangled hair would make your life simpler. So if you have a kinky texture like mine, you can stretch your hair using African threading. I showed that in this video, or you can go ahead and use a blow dryer, but make sure you're protecting your hair with a good heat protectant to avoid heat damage. So I clip the hair away and I'm just going to comb through. I used this product. It wasn't as holding as I expected, but I just used it to guide myself a little bit more and give a little hold to the cornrows. So I brush my hair down and then detangle it properly, which is mainly the ends. The ends are slightly matted, so I just comb those ones out because I want to make sure that the process is easy. So when you do the cornrow, you split the hair into three and you pull the hair from either the left or the right inwards, and that one becomes the new left or right. So I'm pulling the one on the left inwards to the middle, and the middle becomes the left. And then I pull from the right inwards, and the middle becomes the right. So you're just pulling the hair inwards from side to side. That's how you do the cornrow. But don't worry, if this is not clear enough, in a few minutes you're going to be seeing another one. But basically, you pull it inwards and then you incorporate the hair on each side into the braid. So you pull the hair on the left inwards and then you pull the hair on the right inwards. And each time you do this, you're interchanging the fingers because you want to make sure that you're picking the hair. So at this point, when I get to the nape, I'm basically braiding the hair down like a normal 3-strand plait. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to do the same on the other side. So that is done on both the left and the right. Now I need to cut the middle. So I'm doing 5 cornrows, and this is the reason I'm doing it this way. So this is one parting and that is the other parting. So that is for the middle braid. So now I start again. I pull the hair from the left inwards and the left becomes the middle. Then I pull the hair from the right inwards, the right becomes the middle. So each hair I pull from either side becomes the new middle, and that side moves to the other one, if you get my drift. So I'm moving from the left inwards, the left becomes the middle. And I move from the right inwards, the right becomes the middle. I just keep doing this, and as I do this, I'm also pulling the hair from either side. Sometimes I add the hair with my finger manually, or other times the hair just fits into my hand. So when I'm saying left and right, I'm actually saying it using the mirror image. So apologies, because it might not be exactly how it's meant to be. But when I turn around, it will make more sense. So I pull the one on the left, or should we say on the right, inwards, and the one on the left the This is the reason you need to detangle. Pull the one on the left inwards. So the one on the right inwards and the one on the left inwards. So every time you're doing this, the middle one is interchanging from the left to the right. So every time you move from the right inwards, the right becomes the middle. And when you move from the left inwards, the left becomes the middle. So this is what you're doing all the way down to the end. So guys, don't forget to detangle your hair properly because you could see what I was going through. So I'm giving you another angle here. So now is my left hand is now like actually my left hand and right hand. So left inwards, right inwards, left inwards, right inwards. Let me know in the comments if this made sense. Are you a visual learner or are you someone who learns better when you're being shown physically? Let me know in the comments so that I know what kind of videos to make and how to make them more explanatory to you. So when you get to the nape, don't pull the hair upwards, rather ensure that the hair is still incorporated on the same level. So what you're doing at this point is just a 3-strand plait, and the reason I turn around is because it's more comfortable when you're in the other direction. This is why my hands are turned around. If you want to see how to do 3-strand plaits, check out this video. So that's just about it. So I've got 2 left and 1 is done. So I've got the last one. So pay proper attention this time. If you didn't get it the other 2 times, I hope you would get it at this point. And if you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So we split the hair into 3. I have slowly reeled down, pull the one from the left inwards and the one from the right inwards. The one from the left inwards and the one from the right inwards. So this is what you do. You're moving it from either side. Trust me, looking at it sometimes can actually feel like it's more complicated than it is, but just allow your hands just allow them do the work. I had a student who actually said that she was overthinking it when watching. But actually, when you start doing it, your hands just begin to do what they are meant to do. But remember, it's always into 3 and you're pulling it inwards underneath. So your hands are going underneath every time. So you would have to learn how to move your fingers and move the hair around your fingers. So I encourage you to get a mannequin if you haven't done cornrows before. Get a mannequin, or if you have someone that you can practice on, go ahead and try your first cornrow today. Leave a comment below and let me know if you're going to be trying cornrows. If you've never known how to cornrow in the past, and if you think you're going to do that, let me know in the comments. I would love to know. So this is all you do. It's pretty straightforward. It's kind of easy actually once you get the hang of it. It's not as difficult as it looks. So yeah, that's everything done now. And I decided to add an attachment because I just wanted to make a bun. So I pre-made the attachment. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see how I made the attachment. So that is it. I just put my beads and all that. I put it on a hairband and I'm just going to wrap it around just to give myself more volume. So that's just how it looks. So thank you for watching. That's everything for now, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.